Hello guys, I'm not supposed to be doing this, but I have to do it because if lies don't too much, you need to clarify yourself. For the past few weeks where I lost my very dear friend turned sister Sharon, a lot of lies has been said about me, that I'm here to say my own side of the story. I'm not here for many talk, but let me just hit the point briefly. So first, many people, some of you presenters, I know say now una job, now need to feed una family. So, but doing this una job, una need to be very careful because many of una they carry too many lies. They go. I'm not here to come and tell you not to stop doing your lies until one day when you go meet somebody, we go finally drag una enter where una no know. Then una go know say this job una they do so, not be the right job. I'm not here because of that. So first, some of them accuse me say I planner, I travel, and I make me I travel so that something will come happen for back. Some even call me fake friend. They call me this. Now so I know they mourn. Now so this. Now so that. First I traveled. That journey was supposed to be before Sharon give birth. Sharon herself now begged me say I don't want born for your back. If you shift this your journey, now take shift them. Sharon was not supposed to born on the 31st. Sharon was supposed to give birth on the 4th of August. That was her due date. 30th, she was in my house. Till about 11 p.m. before she go out. 31st, now she entered labor around 2 a.m. Now she entered labor to go hospital. That is not why I'm here. Sharon gave birth on the 31st. I was with her in the hospital from morning to evening. As she called me that to 7 in the morning, I don't born. I say, this is how you call me in the morning, you don't born. Now so I take rush. I shower, I rush, go hospital. I was there from morning to evening. The next day, I was also there because there for hospital, you need somebody to help you. Somebody to help you go, let me do this one, let me do that one. I was there with her all through. Until like on the second, when she come talk, say, I beg, if you, as I come on the second, if they go ask, let me collect my baby for my mama hand, make you go take care of her. And the mother by herself give me the baby for McDonald's, then now for meat, for Via Amelia. We met, she gave me Mimi. And I carry me mental McDonald's, we eat, then we go out. Even when we go out, I even made a video inside the bus where I sent to Sharon because I know say Sharon love her daughter so much. When you say person love picking, Sharon love Mimi like. So as she did hospital, anything we go make her day happy. I was always doing it. I video myself and Mimi. The video, I'll put it here. I can't tell her, say, will they go out? So see. No, say I love you, or I'll put it on my reels later. Go and see. So that's for that. As she was discharged, she told me, bring me come, my mother's side. I said, okay. Now, me even first her reach her mama's side before she come back from hospital. She come meet me and Mimi for her mama's side. So, all this one they talk, say, me and her mama, they quarrel. Like how? We have never quarreled. Don't you want to make me follow Madam 50 Cent quarrel? Mama shall quarrel. Me and her will not be age mates. Will not be friends. The only thing that links us together is Sharon. Because me and a person will not come up for house. All the African bar for my radio, they know, say, you can never see me in African bar. The only bar you can see me is Mama Sharon's bar, and because of Sharon, me and Mama Joey, when I go why he winner or what. Now so my life be right from time. Maybe because I went to a boarding school, so I'm used to that kind of life. So all of you saying that I spent 4 days, I spent 3 days. Oh, Sharon gave birth on the 31st. I traveled on the 13th. That's after 2 weeks. You can do the mathematics yourself. 2 weeks because I felt Sharon was okay now. Sharon was strong now. And I never knew such thing will happen. And I only left because another of our friend, she traveled all the way from Germany to come and help. Now she even the bath baby, they do everything. And I want to say thank you. To all Sharon friends where they don't criticize online, I want to say thank you to all of you because you guys have been a nice friend to Sharon. Sharon, they tell me how Unate impact her life. Although now she's no longer with us, they call Una bad names. They say una be fake friends, una be bad people, but all of you have impacted Sharon's life. If I begin to call names, una where they Germany, where they Sharon they stay with, anytime where she come, una know una self. I don't want to put una name, maybe they not call the saga una. Thank you. You guys were so. Sharon told me how you took good care of her, how she they feel at home when she did with you. To all Sharon's friend that stood for her when she was here, I want to say thank you to all of you. They drag on for social media. Mona not look am. Mona just pay deaf ears to them because they need to chop. So if they not drag una, they not go get food because they not get any other work where they do. So their only job is to bring you guys down so that you can put food on their table. So that is the first one I'm here to debunk. I traveled on the 13th of August. Sharon gave birth on the 31st of July. So you can do the mathematics yourself. Those of you saying I left 4 days, I left 1 day, I left 2 days. Please, I didn't leave 2 days. I didn't leave 4 days. I didn't leave 5 days. I left after 14 days. So I guess I'm able to answer that one now. So I'll be doing subsequent videos to debunk each of the lies they have lied on me. So this is the first one. It will be continued for the second phase. So I'll see you guys later. Thank you. Bye. So Sharon actually told me that I should not travel before she gives birth. So I stood by it. I cancelled my journey. I already booked the journey. I can't cancel around. Can't carry and go. I can't say, okay, when you want to make a take child, you can't say at least 2 weeks after she done born. I can't drag and go 2 weeks after she done born. I was with her in the hospital throughout. Now midday with her for hospital. And I'm happy I did it. You know what? I did happy say when my friend they alive, I was able to show her genuine love. She told me, she said, hey, thank God say I born for you. Who for fear do this one for me? You just day yes. Sharon is somebody who appreciates. Sharon is a loving person. Let me if I hear everything they talk, Sharon, I hear they look when they laugh. Sharon, where me, I know. Except say maybe for her house, now another character now she get. Sharon is very appreciative. If you give Sharon 5 naira, the way go take thank you, go be like saying 5 million, now you give Sharon. Now that same character, now her daughter, Mimi carry. If you buy 1 pin for Mimi, go, oh, wow, so beautiful. So guys, I traveled on the 13th. Only for me, I just reached my journey. Phone call come. Who they call? So, Mama and OSA. I will put the screenshot of the WhatsApp call here. She called me. Hey, they to rowa. I guess you know. Je was sunu. Oh where? I say where hospital? I say where hospital? Yeah, what gravel? That means the case is serious. What sunu? We am I? As she cut that call, I was in complete confusion. Like, who I go call now? I have a brother here. You know, many people know my brother in radio. And my brother is very close to Sharon. My brother be like brother to Sharon. Because most of the things that Sharon they do for this city. Now my brother they help and they do am. Go reach, maybe she want to go see lawyer. She want to go do anything. And the boy they follow and go. So I called him. I said, see oh. Now he tell me, say, see where in day a little bit far. Now I call one of our other friend. Now I say, babe, how far where you dey? See what they happen. Now I come say, okay, immediately that one call taxi. She rush go hospital. Now I was not looking for them to give me information about what is going on. As I did the holiday, I'm not comfortable going on. So immediately I carry my phone. All the hotel bookings cancelled. I carry my phone, buy ticket. I tell my mom, say, mommy, no vex. Now you are the one carry. Now you are carry come this holiday before to come to relax yourself. Because my mother they work for school. So when school day holiday, she the day house. At least they want resume. Now make me be one. Now every year we dey travel go holiday. Even that last year, Sharon follow us go. All of us see the video where we go swim for, see, do everything. Many of us see those videos. So now so I take carry my phone, rebook another ticket back to Italy. Now so we take come back. That very day where I come back, it was a public holiday. No motor, nothing they work. I took taxi from the train station down to my house. Then I got prepared. I come ask them waiting with the time of the visit. They come tell me say 1 and 6. That our friend where they go. We went to see Sharon. Only for me to see Sharon, she was in a critical condition. And I had faith. I told all my friends, I said, this is not time to cry. This is time for all of us to have faith. Because Sharon might be fighting to come back. And she might need all of us to have strength to come back. I ginger everybody. And after visiting Sharon, I went to the mother's place. I went to her place. And I saw that everything was going on fine there. People were around her. I had to greet her, say, mommy. And she asked me, what's the way here? And I said, I was giving her reports. Because at this time, everybody needs to be strong. I told her, I said, we need to know strong. Because Sharon might be fighting to come back. Coma no. And you know, say, coma, person if they try to come back. I said, so she need our strength to be strong. And she said, okay. So this part where now they talk, say, now so I know they follow Mama Sharon play. That's why I know they respect the mama. I call her mommy. It's here. I never want to call her Madam 50 cents. mommy tia maybe una need me I come dey begin dey play voice note wey me and her take dey talk for WhatsApp come out. So that was how we were going to the hospital morning and evening every day. And na me na she dey send message. Pastor wan pray na me. Anybody wan pray na me. Anybody na me. She go so women la wo go whatever anywhere now. The number pastor now. We phone your general na me. Na me. So this una narrative say I know they support the mama. I not be friend to the mama. I don't know where I get them from. I don't know who's telling you guys all those things. That is why I said whatever they have told you is a lie. Because I have evidence to everything. I'm going to screenshot our WhatsApp conversation and put it online for you guys to see that. To see the last day when me and Mama Sharon talk rich. I'll be coming to that. I don't want jump. I want to do this thing bit to bit. I don't want to do live video. I want just explain her bit to bit. So the part of say we know they talk. That's why I come. That's so this, that's so that. Yes, as a friend, I need to ask questions when I come. Say, what's Sunu? I asked the mom, what's Sunu? Because me, I spoke to Sharon on the 12th, on Monday. I spoke to her and she told me, oh, I be get headache. I go hospital. I said, how you day? I stood. I know say I stand that day. How you come day? She goes, say, she's getting better. Say she won't even go buy medicine. Say they give her medicine to go buy. I never knew that was the last conversation I will ever have with Sharon. If I knew that was the last, I for no waiting to do. But I not be God. So that part when they talk say I they get quarrel with the mother. I don't know where I've never quarreled with her before. Whoever is telling her anything, I don't know why they are doing it, but maybe God is using it to tell me something. I don't know. Or say I'm not gonna I balik bejo. If I was sunu who worry video, we know ya sunu take a video. So we will go to the third lie. So the second one, as I just clarified myself, whoever wants to believe will believe. Who don't want to believe, Yoruba will say, "Wolo come, what can we go? Wagi okema kasaloba." Sharon imamana. So my happiness is I was able to show my friend genuine love, not be that fake one. Genuine love. I took her like a sister. She was always with me. When you say always, Sharon not stay 1 week, say we not see like 4-5 times. All my neighbors know her. Everybody from my compound know her. She will come my house, enter anywhere where she like, this house now her house. There's no difference between my house and her house. So that is my joy, that I was able to show her genuine love while she was alive. So anything you guys have to say, that is your own cup of tea. So I came back a day after Sharon entered coma. Now I come back. I came back immediately. That day was holiday. I took taxi to my house. Then from there, I asked my friend, who is also a friend to Sharon, when be the visiting time, and she told me 1 and 7 p.m. So that 1 o'clock, me, my mother, we went to the hospital to go and see Sharon. I think say if I reach there, maybe I will meet Sharon, we'll still talk 1 or 2 words. I know, because I never really experienced coma before. I've never had a friend who went into coma before. So this is the first case of coma. This is the first time of me seeing what it means when you say person enter coma. I got there, I saw that my friend could not talk. I saw the machines on her. I was like, wow, God, which kind of thing be this one? How did this thing happen? Only for me to get home, I saw that everything was still going on fine in their house. I was like, maybe not because my mama never know how the condition be. And she asked me, but say, well, here, and whatever, or you know, because they fixed something on her and she was really breathing. And I was telling her that she's supposed to go and see Sharon. But a lot of people they were saying, oh, Nejo. I was like, at this particular point in time, the person Sharon needs most is her family. Because in a way, you die in hospital, and in a way, family, mother, brother, father, children, they have access to the patient anytime where they want. Now, only people who not they related, now I get that 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. But if you be mama, if you be brother, you feel come anytime where you like. So that aside, so the third lie one that I for my body now say Sharon things dey with me. I can't dey wonder. Then why Ibuna Mwere Boto? Many of you actually don't know how to think outside of your box. You think wanibu onisa or ya think onisa kwema enibu no we atato wanibu ya oyo. First, imaro wa Sharon like coma. I came back after I came back the following day. Definitely that very day, Sharon like coma. I have property no ma. You guys don't even know. They gave, which property are they talking about now? A bag which she carry come hospital. Where her phones dey, her documents dey. Definitely. Nobody was able to go to Poto Sokoso. Now, my brother and her brother, they for the emergency ward, whatever they operate her. Our friend when me call, now she passed Poto Sokoso. Then I say, see who she defend. As she reached there, she come to make her help and send Sharon documents. Yes, I have Sharon's documents on my PDF, because most times he will be no online. So even my own there phone also, you understand? So now I can send Sharon health card, go give that my friend, and her identity card. Now that one she take proof, say see who I dey find. Now they come tell her say they don't carry and go operation room. But this now the property, they can't give that girl everything. With their phone, they gave it to her. So as she called me. I was always communicating with her, communicating, and she was telling me, see, those people, they stayed that day from around 1 where I take call them. They stayed till after 10 for night before they come bring Sharon come out from the operating room. The doctor spoke to my brother and Sharon's brother. I can't ask my brother how far. He can't tell me waiting the doctor talk. Say, hope day. But if, no, that is not supposed to be said there. He said hope day. We should just keep praying. So they gave it to her. And when she got home, she gave Sharon's brother Sharon's phone. You get? She gave Sharon's brother Sharon's phone. I was like, you will never even give her, because tension day. You for even hold her first, because now his sister and they come, so definitely he will be feeling tense, and people are around, because the mother don't already call a lot of people. Don't call everybody. We very come out like that. People are there. Crowd is there. I can't do it if you're one. So that was the same night. She even carried Mimi come up for the house, because the environment was not conducive for the small girl. Crowd full there. Now them even help her arrange cloth, give her clothes, Mimi clothes, make the carry follow body come out. I told her they should come to my house, because I left my keys with my neighbor. Come, my neighbor, give so and so person key, make they enter my house. So they brought Mimi to my house. She herself, now she and Mimi sleep this house. That night, me never even come. So when I came back the next day, now they see Mimi. I dressed Mimi. I think that was one of the best things I did. Because they said they don't want Mimi go. I said no. The mother might need Mimi to shout in her ears. Because maybe at the beginning, maybe Sharon already back, because when Mimi got to the hospital, when I took her there, Mimi was saying, "Mommy, wake up. Mommy, wake up." Tears rolled from my eyes. She was crying. She was shouting, "Mommy, wake up. Mommy, wake up." I was like, so that no make now wake up on time, because this coma is getting too long. Coma is better 3 days in there, according to the doctors. Charlie, the coma that has to do with the brain. So that one of the talk say Sharon property day with me. Mwana mwere re boto no say wana type, because that one mwere re boto. Also suppose one yi me ma bi aro wa be Sharon like coma. Ama we me avie ni na. You understand? It later got to my hand though, as a friend. Now the brother even talk say make her hold on. Not be even me, because that same phone, that same Sharon phone, when Sharon give birth, the phone off for hospital. Now me help Sharon on her. So as the phone off for brother hand, the brother can't give me the phone, say, when we are care in the hospital, where they make care, now we may jere. You got PME, maybe no yard where a phone anyway ya some boy. And I gave everything back to the brother. Say, see her passport, see her document, see everything. Now the brother I give everything back, because the brother was the only brother which she get with that. The mother was grieving, and the brother was always in the hospital with us. Most times, inside all this time, so mom see they call me, Sharon they call me, say, "Adio, I'll see go meet her for house." She go see tell me, say, "See what I go do, I'll see go back to hospital." It was an hectic journey. And the painful part was that if after all this waka, after all these prayers and everything, Sharon didn't come back, that is the most painful aspect. I didn't even care any amount where it go cost. and you're na ma wo on the man did not do tie can zigoji because Sharon deserves times 100 of that. If you have Sharon as a friend, you will know what I'm talking about. So anything you do for Sharon, don't be waiting they come they talk for social media say because she deserves it. But the painful part was that she never came back to say, oh, now do well, I still come back. We even think if she wake up, she come to tell us say everything one they talk with a year. We said a lot of things to her just to make her come back. We were always there. We were always there. I'm coming back. I don't want to make this video too long. I'll see you guys later. We were always going there. It got to a time. Doctor come call us, say he wants to see us. As we reach inside, now begin there, I say, who you be? Who you be? Who you be? Nobody be family among us where they there. Now the doctor talk, say, they want to see us. They want to see the family, I mean. They want to see the mama, the brother, or the uncle will stand as the father. They want to see them. Now we can say, okay. Even when we told the mom, she still not respond to us until hospital can't call my younger brother. Because my younger brother was the one that dropped his number for the hospital for in case of emergency, who to call. Because my younger brother went to school here and he sabi the language well. So the mother asked my younger brother to put his own number. Now the mama give them for hospital my younger brother number. If we know they play, how they will take give them my younger brother number. So my younger brother called that morning. When he called, I was scared. Because anybody where they give hospital number, if he call you, you must be frightened. I was scared. I was like, oh, Peter, always soon. I say, sister, hospital call me. I say, wait till hospital talk. Hospital say, the mama must come today. The mama must come. They give us time. Around 12, I'll be 1. Natana, Sharon, they come. Momsi never reached there. The mama never reached there since. But now hospital demand says she must come. I say, okay, now carry phone. Now still call mommy like this. Peter TMO. Or we in hospital we know how they there now. Yeah, mama na mama lelegbe. Or mama came but me have arriva. So I'm mama lelegbe. My mom, myself, all of us, we went. We got there before her anyway. We were there. Mimi was there with us because they said we must bring Mimi also. Because this time around, we think saying about Sharon. They want to, we don't know saying as social. Now they call us. So social, we went to see social. That was the first day. After seeing social, all of us come move, go Sharon ward because go see Sharon. That was the first day she saw Sharon. She saw Sharon's condition. So I don't know the part where all of them they talk say, Izzy is not in support of the mother, Izzy need to support the mother, Izzy need to do this, Izzy need to do. I don't understand. Like how? Why should I be quarreling with the mother over what? Oh, property, like you guys said. The same property where we say, this my leg. Waka for this radio. If you know what it take us to find that house where Sharon did today. No, not what they talk with you now they talk. I not be better friend though, to many of you now. But to my friends, to my friend Sharon and Minuje, she knows say I be better friend. So wait till now they talk, you know, concern. You don't really get anything to do on me. Because you know why? Help when I can't they help now, they useless. Because Sharon know they see una help. All this talk when they talk now is useless because it's not helping her in any way. It's not going to bring her back. Learn to help people when they are alive, when they need your help. That is when help is very, very paramount. Not be now where the person not there again. No one can they form love, no one can they form help. This na person where be say, her own mother drive her come off for house with a newborn baby. Not up to a month-old baby. She called me. I said, man, it's Torino now. Why are we Torino? You worry. What's soon? We quarrel, we fight, and they go. I said, you just newborn baby. Because you dey get appointment. Why you not come my side? That was how she came to my house from December till February. Till March, February, March. She was in my side. The only crime I did was, as the mama tell me make I drive Sharon come up for her, say, now because Sharon see where they stay, now make her they misbehave. Maybe I for really drive Sharon come out. But me, as a friend, I was always talking to her, This you and your mama wahala. When una go settle one? I talked. Sharon, you dey see me for where you did. I talked. I even blamed her. Now that one me they beg her for now. Say, Sharon, I'm sorry I blamed you. I blamed her most times. I tell her, say, as a child, but so they raw now. They salary one every month. I knew what Sharon told me. I'm not going to come and say it here. She was like, I better rest. I don't want to talk for you. I know how many times I quarreled with her. Una way they talk, say, my mama, I can't do this one. My mama waka come up for her house, go meet Sharon mama for her house. Talk to her as a mother, say, no matter how Pikin do wrong, as a mama, I was there. The day my mother go meet Mama Sharon, myself, my mom, and Osamede. Osamede was around that period. And 3 of us go meet Mama Sharon for her house when she they complain about some things Sharon they do. I don't want to come bring her those ones because she's not here now to defend herself. I remember what my mom told her. I said, my mother advised her as a mother that she is. This is the same mother now where all of the Islam say he carry her because he knows say my enemy not dey fine. And so he want to use Sharon to do Pikin. Sharon was happy to have my mom by her side. Because my mother is somebody, when she talks something, you can't say, mommy, I for do this thing. Sharon knew how my mother persuaded her to buy a house. My mother follow her, go different agencies to go ask for her. So Sharon was so grateful. Now gratefulness, now make una dey feel say Sharon, my mama can't take, because say Sharon dey grateful to my mom. Say, mommy, we say oh you born woman. Now can't turn out to say he want Colombian. Now so you know advice her. Salo bagi my affair. Deri ogele ya sunu. Oh manuwa. But deri ogele ya sunu. Emi, Sharon has chiwaya. Oh chiwaya lelegbe. Emi oge no wa ba my na wa fi on my gbe wa ba oge your gbe. And you guys feel it's okay. It's okay to just lie on people like that. I will show you. Even this when Ajena, unubani jeme leli ye Sharon at the hospital. Unubani jeme a close even una pa do wa Sharon but so after 10 person. The phone calls are there. The screenshots are there. So where all this quarrel and this thing start from? That will be my next video. Stay tuned. So now that Sharon gratefulness to my mom, now they make all of them they think say that my mom now they scatter Sharon and mom. Oh, many of them talk say that so Sharon they buy gift for my mom, waiting on they buy for my mama, they buy for my mom. The only thing my mother owes Sharon, home and abroad. Sharon re na emunuje ebu kere over kere mi ya kere saloba no accept soliwe. The only thing she has that she's ever given to my mom was that wristwatch where she buy. And as she and her friend, where they call Lizzie, I gotta go buy that watch. And she told that girl, she said, since this woman helped me buy house, support me to buy this my house, I never give her any gift. Now make me want to buy this wristwatch for her. And since una they drag, I beg, when I see tell them, they can't collect the wristwatch because Izzy make where they big go ni because Sharon hero, a bomb made on Izzy making. Izzy make on big go. You might don't understand because now everybody get phone for hand waiting they look time. My mother not be party goer. Even Mama Sharon no say Mama not they go party. He just himself in a year we radio Milan now when so we quit the kind umia uya kind ma we to amio or whether king una palawa. E life forget wa je egwa silewo mena or si o we ladia. Mena or ya mo Sharon ko ere la mana because if not ije me get Sharon egbo ma we do ije making. So her friend is a testimony to that. She was there. So that Gogo is just an appreciation for mommy Wesley, even when her own mother said she will never buy a house. You will be my friend, Mama. You say you go fit buy a house. It was a tussle, guys. It was a tussle. That will not be story where I want to talk. Because on the way they talk now, even my mom even went to her mom to tell her, said, since Sharon get money to buy a honer, why you know you had money joiner? Mona buy big house. The mother said no. Get Sharon mo boy you no my say. If any tie say, he might tie because Sharon is not here now to come and say no those no. So Mark can need to have 10 more. When the tie self is even wrong because of whether you mana to come and talk for herself. But because of the lies you guys have lied on me and my family, that is why I'm even doing this. I'm not even supposed to do this. Or say man I choose to do live video. Because the man do I confuse me, do I tell me no matter suppose nita. So we were all just going like that until the day where they come confirm say Sharon, don't go. That day was a very, very bad day for me. When you say something's bad, it was a bad day. I was calling them in the hospital. First, my mom did with Mama Sharon that day from morning till night. My mama did with Mama Sharon that day from morning till night. This now people wanna say they're not good. Mommy, how far? What did they happen? They say Mona never come hospital. God, they want go hospital that day. They say they want go do tests for Sharon. They want go check the brain, how far it don't go. So me, you never come hospital. Me, I meet the house. I was like, okay. In the evening, I still call again. And they never bring her come back from the test. No go. I was like, let me sunua. Natana me marry. I said, Sharon, I didn't know. I did know. I don't know. My mother got home. I can't see my mother, Sharon brother, and Sharon papa, where she they call daddy. Her father, younger brother Amas. The three of them come my house. What thing they happen? With one of our bros, so they call bros James. They pack come our house. As they come, and that day I know say something don't happen. Mommy, waiting happen. Mommy, waiting happen. They come tell me say, see, Sharon couldn't make it. That day was a total shutdown for me. Because till now, I never see believe say Sharon not there. Because for me, I feel we all failed her. I know they come on myself. I told the brother, I said, you guys failed Sharon because Sharon ma wu oga hama. O ma wu obie. O kia bie. O ma wu during labor. O ma wu o kia bie. O ma wu oda sowa. When I made it 2 weeks after, about 3 weeks after, Sharon do yakba. There was something that we didn't do. So for that reason, I feel we all failed her. That was the reason I said that word. If I had known, I wouldn't have traveled. Because I remember when she gave birth to Mimi, the very first day when they entered her mama's house, night fire catch. Mimi's spirit's strong. She herself knows that Mimi is a strong woman. Mimi never wanted to stay there. I sure said now all those things still happen. But that's none of my business. That was the day she came to my house. That first week. That first day when she entered house. Now she come my house. I took care of her until Social can't find where they want to stay. For a few days, after another, this 2-3 days for the house again, yeah, and mama quarrel. Now she come here, come stay for 3 months. I know how my mom go tell me in the morning, come I not really well here. I'll go meet her. Waiting want chop this morning. I'll give her. She go eat. Afternoon waiting want eat. Ever if she want to for mama herself, I go kere. She herself come dey laugh say na so it's sweet to born. Say the way mommy dey pet her like say oh mama, that mommy say tell her say another beer, our pepper, because you know it's again ya or fresh we gbewe. Na den ya we. I don't even know wetin they call ade. I no like, but I dey hear am when people dey talk am. So that is why I felt like, why didn't I repeat the same thing what I do when they born me? But you know, let me do, because that particular time, I remember the mom for like 1 year, the mom not greet my mom. You know, they answer her. You not even talk to us because she felt like we were dragging a child with her. So I feel say I make Sharon not repeat, I make Sharon not come here, come do the same, they come take care of, because she was having plan of coming. She told my mom, say, Mommy, that was what she told my mom last. That was Saturday. On Tuesday night, she entered coma. She told my mom, say, Mommy, worry. Because now only 3 days journey, I won't even go because of Sharon. I don't want to quickly go, come back. At least make my mom see, enjoy small before she go resume work. So she said, Mommy, I don't want to her plan was to even stay in my side for 2 weeks before she go house, so that my mom go bath the baby. have a year egbe because have any only na year egbe because egbe na ya lu labor we ya with 9 months egbe ni one need petting. So she can say mommy ya renu petting me here ki ari wa. So we're waiting for her. We didn't know that she will never come. So my regret now is to say I know. As she come in that they say carry me, I will say come our side first before you go. But if I don't, they'll say we will just see your mom. So that was why I didn't do it. So I'm begging you guys, free us. We're coming to the next part. So now that Sharon gratefulness to my mom, now they make all of them they think say that my mom now they scatter Sharon and mom. Oh, many of them talk say that so Sharon they buy gift for my mom, waiting on they buy for my mama, they buy for my mom. The only thing my mother owes Sharon, home and abroad. Sharon remi na, emunuje, ebu kere oven kere mi ya kere salobwa no accepte soliwe. The only thing she has that she has ever given to my mom was that wristwatch where she buy. And as she and her friend, where they call Lizzie, I gotta go buy that watch. And she told that girl, she said, since this woman helped me buy house, support me to buy this my house, I never give her any gift. Now make me want to buy this wristwatch for her. And since when they drag, I beg, when I see tell them, they feel can't collect the wristwatch because Izzy make with a big begogoni because Sharon a bomb made on Izzy making. Izzy make on with begogo. You might don't understand because now everybody get phone for hand wait till they look time. My mother not be party goer. Even Mama Sharon knows say Mama not they go party. Izzy make himself in a year we radio Milan now so we quit the kind umia ya kind ma we to amio whether akin una palawa. Life forget waje egwa silewo mena osio we ladia mena or ya mo Sharon ko ere la mana because if not Izzy make be Sharon egbon ma be do Izzy make. So our friend is a testimony to that. She was there. So that go is just an appreciation for mommy West. Even when our own mother said she will never buy a house, you will be my friend, Mama. You say you go fit buy a house. It was a tussle, guys. It was a tussle. That will not be story where I want to talk. Because on the way they talk now, even my mom even went to her mom to tell her, say, since Sharon get money to buy a house, why you know you had money join her? Mona buy big house. The mother said no. Get Sharon mo boy you no my say. If any tie say, he might tie because Sharon is not here now to come and say no those no. So ma can need to attend more. When the tie now says is even wrong because of whether you mana to come and talk for herself. But because of the lies you guys have lied on me and my family, that is why I'm even doing this. I'm not even supposed to do this. Or say man I choose to do live video. Because the man who confused me, many do tell me, no matter suppose nita. So we were all just going like that until the day where they come confirm, say Sharon, don't go. That day was a very, very bad day for me. When you say something's bad, it was a bad day. I was calling them in the hospital. First, my mom dealt with Mama Sharon that day from morning till night. My mama dealt with Mama Sharon that day from morning till night. These now people wanna say they're not good. Mommy, how far? What did they happen? They say Mona never come hospital. God, they want go hospital that day. They say they want go do tests for Sharon. They want go check the brain, how far it don't go. So me, you never come hospital. Me the house. I was like, okay. In the evening, I still call again. They never bring her come out from the test. No go. I was like, let me sunua. Natana me maege. I say me Sharon pan. I didn't know. I did know. I don't know. My mother got home. I can't see my mother, Sharon brother, and Sharon papa, where she they call daddy. Her father, younger brother Amas. The three of them come my house. What thing they happen? With one of our bros, so they call bros James. They pack come our house. As they come, and that day I know say something don't happen. Mommy, waiting happen. Mommy, waiting happen. They come tell me say, see, Sharon couldn't make it. That day was a total shutdown for me. Because till now, I never see believe say Sharon not there. Because for me, I feel we all failed her. I know they come on myself. I told the brother, I say, you guys failed Sharon because Sharon ma wu oga hama. O ma wu obie. Working bie. O ma wu during labor. O ma wu working bie. O ma wu oda so wa. When I made it 2 weeks after, about 3 weeks after, Sharon do yakba. There was something that we didn't do. So for that reason, I feel we all failed her. That was the reason I said that word. If I had known, I wouldn't have traveled. Because I remember when she gave birth to Mimi, the very first day when they entered her mama's house, night fire catch. Mimi's spirit strong. She herself knows that Mimi is a strong woman. Mimi never wanted to stay there. I sure said now all those things still happen, but that's none of my business. That was the day she came to my house. That first week, that first day when she entered house. Now she come my house. I took care of her until Social can't find where they want to stay. For a few days, after another, in all this 2-3 days for the house again, yeah, and mama quarrel. Now she take come here, come stay for 3 months. I know how my mom go tell me in the morning, come I not really well here. I'll go meet her. Waiting want chop this morning. I'll give her. She go eat. Afternoon waiting want eat. Ever if she want to for mama say, "If I go here." She herself come dey laugh say na so it's sweet to born. Say the way mommy dey pet am like say, "Oh mama," that mommy say tell am say, "Oh, another beer, our pepper," because you know it's again ya or fresh week we na den ya we. I don't even know wetin they call ade. I no like, but I dey hear am when people dey talk am. So that is why I felt like, why didn't I repeat the same thing what I do when they born me? But you know, let me do, because that particular time, I remember the mom for like 1 year, the mom not greet my mom. You know, they answer her. He not even talk to us because she felt like we were dragging a child with her. So I feel say I make Sharon not repeat, I make Sharon not come here, come do the same, they come take care of, because she was having plan of coming. She told my mom, say, "Mommy, ya modo wa nuwe kokomo nukuoe make ariowa." That was what she told my mom last. That was Saturday. On Tuesday night, she entered coma. She told my mom, say, "Mommy, worry. Yare. Because now only 3 days journey, I don't want even go because of Sharon. I don't want to quickly go, come back. At least make my mom see enjoy small before she go resume work." So she said, "Mommy, I don't want to." Her plan was to even stay in my side for 2 weeks before she go house, so that my mom go bath the baby. Have a year because I only did not year because egbe na ya lu labor with 9 months. Egbe ni one need a petting. So she can say, "Mommy, ya renu petting ne here kiari owa." So we're waiting for her. We didn't know that she will never come. So my regret now is, if to say I know, as she come in that they say carry me, I will say, "Come our side first before you go." But if I don't, they'll say, we will just see your mom. So that was why I didn't do it. So I'm begging you guys, free us. We're coming to the next part.